Do you snore? The noise is more than a nuisance. Do you wake up to complaints about your snoring? Many adults snore, often due to obstructed airflow. Factors such as sleeping position, nasal congestion, or obesity can trigger these nocturnal sounds. Understanding the source is crucial in managing snoring effectively and improving your sleep quality. Snoring can signify more than a noisy night. It may indicate potential health issues like sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly stops, leading to fatigue, high blood pressure, or heart problems. Early recognition and action are key to preventing these serious health risks and ensuring restful sleep. Snoring shouldn't disrupt your nights. By addressing its causes and taking proactive steps, you can enhance your sleep quality and overall health. Consult with your doctor today and take the first step toward better sleep with a professional sleep study from Kyomed. Our team of experts, including certified somnologist-technologists, will carefully carry out the sleep study and analyze your results to identify potential sleep disorders. The report will provide insights to your doctor to advise you further on the next steps for a healthier, more restful life.